tomatoes. Feliz is tired of his everyday walks and wanderings, even if he has nothing to eat. This is why he thought of exerting himself and using his strength and brawn. He passed by the farm of Yugu the ant, and he was impressed by the health of the plants. "Your plants are so healthy," he praised Yugu. "What is your secret?" "I have no secret," said Yugu, "except for industry, patience, and a little hard work." "Is that all?" asked Feliz, and he asked for some tomato seeds to try out gardening at Thorn and Ulif. It was Sunday then, but even so, the cute farmer did not laze around. It was Sunday then, but even so, he busied himself with gardening and planting. That night, Feliz could not sleep as he counted the growing tomatoes. Monday! Early in the morning, he woke up and visited his patch of tomatoes. But what a heartbreak! And the soft ground that once it has sprouted. Close to tears, Feliz confided with Yugu, but Yugu only laughed and said, "Don't be impatient. Indeed, gardening is not that easy. Allow more watering, they will surely sprout." Tuesday, after watering, Feliz looked after the patch of tomatoes all day. In the evening, he even lit candles so that the plants will not be afraid of the dark. Wednesday, after sprinkling fertilizers, Feliz invited his young frog friends. And though it was raining, they sang all day so that the plants will be energized. Thursday, after pulling out weeds, Feliz brought a lot of books where he read stories and poems all day so that the plants will not feel lonely. Friday, after watering and weeding, Feliz spent the day by reciting, dancing, singing. He even placed a makeshift ceiling so that the plants will not feel too hot. Saturday, Feliz rejoiced as he saw the sprouting tomatoes. After a few days, Feliz tomatoes grew and bore fruit. "Hey, your tomatoes are so healthy," Yugu praised Feliz upon his visit. "Yes, they are," answered Feliz, who was wrapped in a blanket. "But I'm sick and coughing because of it." "That's all, let us start," said Yugu, and Feliz was left coughing, but he felt pleased as he looked over the patch of ripening tomatoes.